What's up, YouTube? My name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is Kenny J TV. Welcome to another episode of Kenny J TV. If you are a first-time viewer, feel free to browse around and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for my latest notification. And if you are a returning viewer, a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to Kenny J TV. In this video, we're going to talk about the things that you can expect as a P&C agent. I know previously I did a video on what to expect as a life insurance agent, but I didn't do one, I believe, on what to expect as a P&C agent. So I'm going to break down the top things that I wish someone told me before getting into the insurance industry. And these are in no specific order. I just wrote them down as I thought of them and just kept them in that order. The first thing I have on the list is prepare to do a lot of service work. And I'm speaking from a standpoint of if you are running your own agency, if you're a solopreneur or you're doing this by yourself, or even if your agency that you're with is allowing you to do the service work and also the sales as well. So with my agency, or excuse me, the one I was with previous to opening my agency, I had to do service work as well as sales. We had a service person, but of course the tasks were unbearable for just one person. So we all took on and did what we needed to do. And with P&C, it's a lot more service work than if you were on the life and health side. Personally, whenever I do any type of service work on the life insurance side, is if they're changing their payment method, God forbid if the client dies and their beneficiary reaches out, or if they're changing their beneficiary, something like that. And it's not too often. 90% of my life insurance clients I haven't really spoken to, again, if I don't have their P&C business as well. And when I say speak to again, it's not that I've never ever talking to them. It's more so on the service side. I don't ever speak to them regarding that. We speak on holidays, birthdays, and of course, when I'm trying to cross-sell to them or get their home auto, their commercial boat, whatever it is, I'm trying to get that P&C business on my books as well. Prepare for a lot of questions from clients. So if you're doing their auto insurance and they said, oh, well, I had this accident, does this count? Or what does this coverage mean? Or what is this type of system that you have that can give me a discount? What are the additional? You're gonna have a lot of questions. And that is what I've realized working in P&C is so many different questions, and you cover so many different areas within the P&C realm. So even for commercial insurance, I get a lot of trucking business, and for that a lot of them will say, well, they said I need to have this limit, why is this? Or they told me I need to reach out to these people, why is that? So they ask you a lot of questions, and don't think that you have to know all of the questions, but always let them know that you can refer to your underwriter and get the information and get back to them, because the last thing that you want to do is give them false or incorrect information. Also, prepare for different P&C companies to reach out to you via mail, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, to try to have you work for their agency. I get weekly, literally, people reaching out to me and say, hey, are you looking for a job? Even though it says in my LinkedIn bio that I own an insurance agency, they're constantly looking for agents just because so many different insurance companies and insurance agencies are growing. And that is what I always say is a great thing about the insurance industry, is you will always have a job. If you are looking to leave an agency and you're like, I don't know if I can find another job, I'm here to tell you, you are absolutely able to, as long as you didn't do anything that was dishonest or can jeopardize your insurance license. Unlike life insurance agents, as a P&C agent, it is very easy to find a position with a base salary and also benefits. So my first position, I was a life insurance agent as well as a P&C insurance agent, and I got benefits. I got full benefits, so vision, dental, health, life insurance, and I also had a base salary. And that is the biggest thing that was pushing me to go captive before I went on my own, was I knew that I could learn and still get paid no matter what. So if you're looking for that more stability, I highly recommend getting your P&C license first. And as I stated earlier, with P&C, there are a lot of different policies that go into it. To name a few: home, auto, boat, commercial, I can go on, the list goes on and on, pet insurance. It's so many different angles you can go at with P&C. And I've seen even in the P&C realm where people just may do trucking insurance or boating insurance or homeowners insurance. It's so many different avenues you can go in with P&C. And that is why I say go to get your P&C license first, because the options are limitless with life and health. Of course, there are certain things you can do, but you can only go but so far with those licenses. I highly recommend anybody that is in insurance to get those P&C licenses to explore different avenues of the insurance industry. And the last thing that I will name, which can go for the life insurance side as well, prepare to have a lot of communication with underwriters, especially on high risk deals. You're sending them the information, they send you back the quote, you send them back information. They may have questions about the client's social media, they may have questions about their claim history and things like that. So you communicate a lot with the underwriter. So I highly recommend do not get on their bad side. Get to know them, build that rapport so they will turn around your stuff a little faster. In my experience, when I build rapport with these underwriters, the process goes a lot smoother. And those are the top things to expect as a P&C agent. If you are looking at getting into the P&C industry, what are some things that you are looking forward to or you are nervous about? And if you've been in P&C for a little while now, what is your favorite line to write in P&C? Let me know in the comment box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for my latest notification. We are dropping a video every week. Again, my name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is Kenny J TV.